Looking to elevate your cooking game? Whether you're searing a steak, baking cornbread, or crafting the perfect one-pan meal, a large cast iron skillet is your kitchen's MVP. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cast iron, testing durability, heat retention, and versatility. So, let's find out which skillet deserves a spot in your kitchen. Number 1. Large cast iron skillet. Transform your cooking experience with a timeless piece of cookware that delivers exceptional performance and versatility. Designed for beginners, home cooks, and seasoned chefs alike, this durable cast iron skillet is your go-to tool for everything from stovetop creations to oven-baked delicacies. Its rugged build is crafted in America using iron and oil, offering a naturally seasoned surface that ensures food releases effortlessly and only improves with each use. Perfectly suited for use on cooktops, grills, ovens, and even open flames, this skillet brings unmatched versatility to your kitchen. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, it eliminates the need for synthetic coatings or chemicals, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. Regular use enhances the seasoning, creating a reliable, non-stick surface that's ready for all your culinary adventures. Even if you spot what appears to be rust, don't worry, it's merely oil that hasn't fully carbonized. Simply scour the area with steel wool, wash with warm water, dry thoroughly, and apply vegetable oil to restore its pristine condition. Renowned for superior heat retention and even distribution, this skillet ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're pan frying, roasting, or searing, the results are consistently delicious. Designed to last a lifetime, it's an investment in quality and tradition that adds authentic flavor to every dish. Elevate your cooking with this enduring kitchen essential. Number 2. Commercial Chef Cast Iron Skillet. Experience the ultimate cooking versatility with this 15-inch cast iron skillet, designed to handle everything from stovetop meals to oven-baked creations and even campfire feasts. This heavy-duty cookware adapts effortlessly to various cooking techniques, allowing you to sear, bake, fry, or serve your dishes straight from the pan to the table. Its pre-seasoned surface ensures hassle-free use with minimal maintenance. Simply hand wash with gentle detergent and towel dry for a long-lasting kitchen essential. Crafted with 100% vegetable oil seasoning, the pan boasts a natural, chemical-free coating that enhances its durability while offering an easy-release surface. Whether you're preparing breakfast, dinner, or desserts, the consistent heat distribution and excellent heat retention of this skillet make every recipe turn out perfectly. From evenly cooked meals to a pan that resists rust, its high-quality construction elevates your cooking experience. Convenience meets functionality with the integrated hook hole on the handle, making it easy to store and keep within reach in your kitchen or pantry. The pan's robust design ensures it becomes a trusty companion for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Durable, versatile, and easy to maintain, this cast iron skillet is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking and enjoy flawless results every time. Number 3. Large 8-inch cast iron skillet set. Elevate your cooking experience with this versatile and reliable set of cast iron skillets. Designed to cater to beginners, home cooks, and professional chefs, this 3-piece set offers unmatched durability and performance in the kitchen. The set includes skillets in 3 essential sizes: 8 inches, 10.25 inches, and 12 inches, allowing you to seamlessly transition between tasks like searing, sautéing, baking, frying, and even slow cooking. Each skillet is pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, ensuring a non-stick surface without the use of synthetic coatings or chemicals. This natural seasoning not only enhances food release but also improves over time with consistent use, creating cookware that truly gets better the more you use it. If you encounter a spot resembling rust, don't worry, it's simply residual oil that hasn't fully carbonized and can be easily remedied with proper care. Renowned for exceptional heat retention, these skillets evenly distribute heat across their surfaces, delivering consistent results every time. While cast iron takes longer to heat up, it maintains warmth efficiently, reducing the energy required for cooking and keeping dishes hot for longer. Whether you're crafting a hearty breakfast, a perfectly seared steak, or a comforting casserole, this set is designed to bring out the best in every meal. Durable, versatile, and timeless, it's a must-have addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Utopia Kitchen Saute Fry Pan. Transform your cooking experience with a versatile cast iron skillet that combines durability with exceptional performance. Designed for use on both stovetops and in ovens, this skillet evenly cooks a variety of meals, from hearty stews to perfectly seared steaks. Its robust construction ensures consistent heat distribution, allowing your dishes to turn out deliciously every time. Unlike non-stick cookware, it develops a natural patina over time, enhancing its non-stick qualities and infusing your meals with rich flavors. Before your first use, a simple hand wash and immediate drying prepare it for a lifetime of reliable performance. After each wash, a light coating of vegetable oil maintains its surface and prevents rust, preserving its durability for generations. Its superior heat retention keeps your food warm long after it's been removed from the heat, making it an excellent choice for serving directly at the table. Care is straightforward yet essential. Allow the skillet to cool completely before washing with hot soapy water and a sponge using regular dish soap. While it's easy to clean, it's not dishwasher safe, which ensures its longevity and performance. Perfect for passionate home cooks and seasoned chefs alike, this skillet promises a delightful cooking experience, blending timeless craftsmanship with practical functionality to bring out the best in your culinary creations. Number 5. Cuisinel Cast Iron Skillet with Lid. Elevate your cooking experience with a versatile and durable kitchen essential designed to deliver exceptional results. This premium cast iron skillet offers precision heat distribution, ensuring even cooking and frying whether you're working with a grill, stovetop, or induction cooktop. Its smooth finish enhances performance, making it a reliable companion for preparing a variety of dishes. The innovative brazier lid is a game-changer, featuring strategically placed drip points that evenly distribute heat and moisture. Transform your skillet into a casserole dish or brazier, unlocking new culinary possibilities with minimal effort. Whether you're frying, baking, grilling, broiling, braising, or sautéing, this multifunctional cookware adapts seamlessly to your cooking needs, allowing you to create flavorful meals with ease. Safety and comfort are priorities, and the included silicone handle holder provides a secure, non-slip grip. While silicone grips offer added protection, it's essential to use oven mitts or towels for handling hot surfaces. Its timeless design and unmatched reliability make it an indispensable addition to any kitchen, ensuring you enjoy superior cooking results for years to come. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.